Hey guys, so I hope that you are following everything that is being told to you as the basic rule of our weight loss journey. Your sleep, 10,000 steps, not eating out, sleeping timely, and having everything homemade. So today's plan for your weight loss journey would include more of fibers and very less of other nutrients. As I told you earlier that in the beginning I was having very basic plans, and slowly and gradually I'll be giving you a bit of different sessions so that it may give a jerk to your stubborn fat. So let's begin. In early morning you can have a glass of water which is been soaked with a small dice of ginger overnight, and then in the morning you can consume it. Make sure that you just consume the water which is being stored either in glass or it can be stored in your copper vessels. Plastic vessels are not recommended. Then we will be coming towards your morning breakfast. I just hope it should not be brunch, but the people who take it as a brunch just because of their routine, that's completely fine. They can have 2 glasses of soaked ginger water, but if it's morning breakfast between 8 a.m. to 10 p.m., I mean to say 10 a.m., right? So it would be completely a dish which has enough of fibers. So let us take here the oats. Oats would be again soaked overnight in water or milk. That depends on you only, the way you like. And then in the morning you can just put melon seeds, pumpkin seeds, and enough of chia seeds. You need to soak chia seeds also. It can be 20 minutes before the breakfast is being prepared or assembled. And with that I want you to have enough of cucumber. It can be 7 to 8 slices of cucumber. Lettuce, the people who are not able to get the lettuce can have simple carrots with them or celery with them, or just cucumber, right? And if you want some dip to be used with it, you can use hummus, or if you just really want, you can have vegan mayonnaise prepared at home. There are many YouTube videos which can show you how to prepare vegan mayonnaise if you're not able to like have all those which has eggs in it. Then we will be coming toward mid-morning snack. This mid-morning snack won't be having fruits. I would again recommend you to go for salads. Your salads would include cucumber, carrot, lettuce, cabbage, broccoli, and celery. Why I'm using celery again and again? Because ahead in other plans we would be using it as a base material for many of our recipes, which are little secret and would be revealing in my other videos. Then comes your lunch. In lunch you will be having a full bowl of dal. Dal can be anyone, masoor, malka, or anything, the lentils. Here I would suggest you to avoid kidney beans and black gram. Both kidney beans and black gram seems to be heavy and are heavy and cause acidity and bloating. I don't want you to have in your weight loss plan. So other than these two, you can go for all other lentils and dal and pulses. With that, again I want you to have a full plate of salad. Now, simple slices of salad sometimes becomes boring. It seems boring to me as well. So you can just grate all of them, mix them, put a little bit of salt and pepper and chaat masala. The people who are hypertensive, I don't want them to add any table salt. And the people who feel puffiness around their eyes, I would recommend them also not to go for it. Just add black pepper and that would go. Then comes your evening snack. In evening snack I want all of you to just have green tea, and if not green tea, then you can have simple ginger water. The ginger water that you soaked overnight could be again used, and you can just boil it or make it a fresh batch and have it. In the evening, I mean to say the early dinner, which should be finished by 8:30 or maximum till 9 p.m, right, should again be having simple your lentil dal along with enough salad. Again means your lunch and dinner would be almost same. If you want to change your pulses, your lentils, you can change them. If you want to keep the same, you can keep the same. And if you're thinking that how lentils are to be consumed, it can be in the form that you cook in your home, right, in a spoon of ghee, right, that could be a serving for 2 people. And if you want to use vegetable oil, then it would be a no. Either you have to use simple ghee, or you could prepare it in mustard oil or canola oil, right. And before sleeping, I want you to again go for ginger water. It can be lukewarm, it can be plain, that's completely your choice. So guys, this was today's plan. And make sure prior to this there was a mistake that it was a breakfast from 8 to 10 a.m and not p.m. Make sure that you have counted on that. Thank you so much.